How to make and create Facebook Shops logo on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design and search for logo and click on the first option. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is simple. Go right here and scroll down like this until you find Facebook Shops. Now click on see all and choose a template right here. For example, let's choose this one and you can edit everything right here. It's very easy to edit, as you can see, and after you finish editing, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you later.